Hi there, love starting your morning outdoors with a hot cup of coffee by the fire? On Tech Product, we are checking out the best camping kettle. This compact stainless steel camping kettle is built for real outdoor heat and real adventure. If you want simple, strong, and reliable, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the Fire Maple Antarchy Camping Kettle, you can immediately feel that this is made for serious outdoor use. Fire Maple designed the Antarchy Camping Kettle to handle tough conditions while still being easy to use every single day at camp. The first thing that stands out is the build quality. It is made from 6-gauge food-grade 18 and 8 stainless steel. That means it is strong, resistant to rust, and safe for preparing drinks and meals. The thick stainless steel body also helps with heat retention. Once the water gets hot, it stays hot longer. That is great when you are making several cups of coffee or tea in a row. The Fire Maple Antarchy Camping Kettle has a 1.2-liter capacity, which is a very practical size. It is large enough to boil water for a small group, yet compact enough to pack easily in your gear. You can brew coffee, steep tea, prepare instant noodles, or heat water for simple camp meals. It can even serve as a dependable boiler in emergency situations when you need clean hot water. The secure lid is another thoughtful detail. It helps keep heat inside, which means faster boiling. When you are outdoors, saving time and fuel really matters. A well-fitted lid also reduces spills while pouring, giving you more control. Handling is simple thanks to the large rotating handle. This makes it easy to move the kettle over a campfire or camp stove. When it is time to pack up, the handle rotates down so the kettle stores more compactly. That small design choice makes a big difference when space in your backpack is limited. Portability is clearly part of the Fire Maple design philosophy. Even with its strong stainless steel construction, the Antarchy Camping Kettle is easy to carry. The overall 1.5-liter size gives it a solid presence without feeling bulky. You can pack it for hiking trips, fishing days, or full family camping weekends without worrying about damage. Safety and flexibility are also key strengths. Because it is made from durable stainless steel, the kettle is compatible with campfires, camp stoves, and even fireplaces. You are not limited to one type of heat source. That gives you freedom in how and where you prepare your drinks or meals. Of course, like any equipment used over open flames, it is important to handle it carefully once it becomes hot. What really makes the Fire Maple Antarchy Camping Kettle special is the balance between strength and simplicity. There are no complicated parts, just solid materials, smart design, and reliable performance. It feels like a piece of gear you can trust for years of outdoor adventures. Small gear, big comfort. Check the price link in the description, and if you enjoy content like this, like and subscribe to Tech Product. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.